Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, reading to for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Take only what resonates, guys. Bale, hindi to magre-resonate sa lahat kasi normal yon. Hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng water sign sa mundo. Pero kung gusto mo, pwede kang personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Siya yung pwede magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Again, this is for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, let's start your reading. And by the way, pa-comment sa baba, guys, ha? Kahit heart-heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Nagpapakita ng malaking suporta sa akin yun. So, let's start. This is for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, meron ka ditong focus and crickets. By the way, ito ay personal, ito ay general reading. So, pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Pag hindi, check mo na lang yung ibang videos. Love reading po ito. The way I see this, it feels like yung iba sa inyo mga water sign, you are maybe thinking, meron kang iniisip na someone or pwedeng tinitignan madalas. Pero itong taon to pwedeng walang communication or connection sa inyo or pwedeng walang usap-usap na nangyayari. Okay, you're just watching this person. And yung iba sa inyo pwedeng walang masyadong communication dahil pwedeng bago pa lang kayo nagkakilala or maybe minamasdan mo siya, inaalam mo kung may chance ba or what. I don't know, you're just watching this person. Yung iba naman, pwedeng matagal na kayong magkakilala nito person na to, pero sa ngayon walang communication or connection sa inyo na nagaganap. So, ayun. But you're still interested na malaman. Interesado ko pa rin malaman, makita kung kamusta na ba itong taong ito. So, sino ba itong person na to? Alamin natin. On the table is here, and you do have here searching. You're dealing with a person na pwedeng may kakonect siyang iba pa. Pero, pwedeng connection lang yun. And it's not like a connection na parang seryoso na siya. Kasi, pwedeng naghahanap or hindi, this person is pwedeng naghahanap pa or hindi pa siya satisfied sa kung sino itong kakonect niya. Or, kung may kakonect man siya, maybe dating stage pa lang sila. And so, you do have your anxiety. So, love affair and karmic. I feel like this is the kind of person na inilagay na kasi siya dati sa third party situation. So, pagdating sa pakikipagseryosohan, medyo hindi mo siya maasahan na maging seryoso agad-agad dahil nailagay na nga siya sa third party situation, So, pwedeng ayaw niya nang maulit yon. Kaya, hindi muna siya nagpapaka-sure. pagdating sa mga connections. Okay? So, ano yung emotion mo towards this person? Or anong tingin mo sa kanya? You have your desire. So, maybe, gusto mo tong taong to. Lalo na if you're single. Or, the retaliation is here. So, yung iba, you want this person na maging available. Pwedeng ganon. Basta nandito ko sa stage ngayon na parang gusto mo tong person na to pero hanggang pagkagusto lang muna, no? So patungkol sa person na ito, ano namang tingin or emotions niya for you? Alamin natin 'yan. For the sign of water sign, please. Water sign. For the sign of water sign. Meeting is here. Followed by anxiety and receipt. Like what I've told you, yung person na ito, takot siya eh. Takot siya na mangyari ulit yung mga dating nangyari na sa kanya. Which is pwedeng may kinalaman yun sa other connection, other people na nagiging involved or, third party situation. Pagdating sa'yo, itong person na ito, gusto niya lang magkaroon ng communication sa inyo. Like, kung lagi naman kayo nagkikita or what, this person wants communication. Or this person wants to talk to you. Pero maybe, hindi naman siya talk na usap agad. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa trabaho. You know what I mean? If this is someone from your workplace, gusto niya lang makausap ka maybe regarding career or regarding the work. No? And I can see a lot of red, color red. So, I don't know if this person's favorite color is red or ikaw yon. But anyway, this could be a reading. Kung hindi, or maybe red for you is your lucky color. Kung hindi, okay lang. Let's talk about the future for you. Water sign, future for water sign. Please, Spirit guides, angel guides. In the near future for water sign. Take only what resonates, guys. Financial support is here, projected, and alien. Okay, tell me more for the sign of water sign. Racing is here. Okay, wish, racing. Sorry about my voice, medyo namamalat ako, tragedy and pop-up. Okay, at the bottom of the deck, you do have here, bounty hunter. Pagdating sa love, this is love reading, but itong person na ito nakakonect mo, I don't feel like magkakaroon ng, something sa inyo because, but rather, I can see a person no, na pwedeng malayo sa'yo and, you know, I don't know kung ikaw itong bibisita or ikaw siya itong bibisita. But there's this reconnection with the person in the past na possible na the energy is may naghahabol. So, ikaw itong naghahabol or siya itong naghahabol sa inyong dalawa. That's a past person energy. Maybe naghahabol regarding money or support, some kind of support. Pero pwede rin namang hindi. This new person, I don't know, marami pa siyang pangarap, marami siyang gustong marating, marami siyang gusto pang mangyari. And, actually, hindi siya nagmamadali. So, kung meron man siya nagmamadali, it is regarding sa mga pangarap niya. Okay? So, you're dealing with someone who is more focused sa career. And, yeah. Anyway, may nakikita tayong magandang future pagdating sa money for you. Like, there's possible offers or something na inaantay mo na pwedeng ibigay, i-offer sa'yo. So, pagdating sa career money, I can see positivity. Okay, pero pagdating sa love, so far, wala pa tayong nakikita dito. May nakikita tayo, babalik mula sa nakaraan. And, hindi pa sure masyado kung, or hindi pa masyadong malinaw kung ano yung dahilan nitong taong to, ba't siya babalik. But, yeah. There's a person in the past coming back. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.